Welcome to today's mathematics tutorial. We will solve the equation given by the following conditions. From this, we can derive two separate equations. The first equation is 6x minus y equals 1, which we will label as equation 1. The second equation is 3x plus 2y equals 13, which we will label as equation 2. Now, we will manipulate these equations for a solution. We will multiply equation 1 by 2. This gives us 12x minus 2, y equals 2. And we'll keep equation 2 as it is. 3x plus 2y equals 13. Now, we will add these two equations together. This yields 12x minus 2, y plus 3x plus 2, y equals 2 plus 13. Simplifying this, we find 15x equals 15. Dividing both sides by 15 gives us x equals 15 over 15. Thus, we find x equals 1. Next, we will substitute the value of x back into equation 1. So we have 6 times 1 minus y equals 1. This simplifies to 6 minus y equals 1. Now, rearranging gives us negative y equals 1 minus 6. This simplifies further to negative y equals negative 5. Thus, we find y equals 5. Finally, we conclude that the values of x and y are x equals 1 and y equals 5. We can write this as an ordered pair, 1, 5. Let's verify our solution by plugging these values back into our original equations. In equation 1, 6 times 1 minus 5 equals 1. And in equation 2, 3 times 1 plus 2 times 5 equals 13. Both equations are satisfied, confirming our solution. Thank you for watching, and happy studying!